Something feels strange on my face. My right cheek hurts a little this morning. Mom, what happened to your face? Your cheek looks very swollen. Does it hurt?
Mom, why is your face so big? Did a bee bite you? Or did something hit you?
Oh dear, the swelling is easy to see. I think I should call the dentist this morning.
We should call the dentist now. Your swelling is getting worse, and I want you checked today.
Mom, don't worry. We are going together, and the dentist will help you.
Mom, the dentist will see you soon. You are not alone, and we are all here with you.
Ouch, that tooth really hurts. The pain is coming from the back of my mouth.
Grace, this tooth has a serious infection. That infection is probably causing the swelling in your face.
Can you save my tooth, doctor? I am worried, but I want to get better.
Yes, Grace, I believe we can save your tooth. Yes, we may be able to save your tooth. We can clean the infection and protect the tooth carefully.
Will the treatment hurt, Mom?
She is already worried, and I want her to feel safe.
We will make the area numb first. You should feel comfortable during the treatment, with only some pressure.
Mom is getting treatment now. I hope she feels better soon, and I know she is safe.
I am a little nervous, but I can do this. I want my tooth to become healthy again. That picture shows a healthy tooth. We should brush our teeth every day to keep them healthy. That went better than I expected. Thank you, doctor. I feel much calmer now. Mom, you are back. How do you feel now? Is your tooth feeling better? I feel much better now. The dentist treated the problem, and I am very relieved.
Let's go home, Mom. You are feeling better now, and we will take care of you together.
We are home now. I am happy to rest, and my face already feels better. Thank you, Maya. A little water feels good, and I need to rest today.
Mom, how did your tooth get infected? Did you know something was wrong before today?
I had a small toothache last week. I thought it would disappear, so I did not call the dentist.
Next time, we should check small problems early. A little pain can sometimes be an important warning.
Let's make a family promise today. We will brush our teeth carefully and pay attention to pain. Brush slowly and carefully, Leo. We need to clean all sides of our teeth every day. Good brushing is a family habit. When we care for our teeth together, it is easier to remember. Taking care of our teeth is important. Healthy habits can help us avoid bigger problems later. Today taught me an important lesson. We should never ignore pain when our body gives us a warning.
What did you learn today, Grace? What will you do differently when you feel tooth pain again?
I learned that small pain should not be ignored. Next time, I will ask the dentist for help much earlier. I made a little family health list. We can use it to remember our important daily habits. First, brush your teeth every morning and night. Second, tell an adult when something hurts.
And third, we visit the dentist regularly. I remember that one because dentists help our teeth.
This is a good plan for our family. Small, healthy habits can protect us every day.
My cheek looks much better tonight. I am thankful that we listened to the problem.
I am glad you told us about the pain. Getting help early can make a big difference.
Today was scary, but it taught us something important. Our family must listen when our bodies give us warnings. Listen to your body, care for your teeth, and ask for help early. Small actions can protect the people we love.